Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the subcontractors that are working on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now, the Southern Coastal Highway is running from Harborview to Port Antonio. It's the largest road project the government has on the way right now. Now, China Harbor Engineering Company is the main contractor. They are the contractor. Now the road is being built in different phases or sections, and in some sections China Harbor Engineering Company does all the work. In other sections China Harbor Engineering Company brings on subcontractors, which are local contractors, and they have 10 local contractors that are working on certain parts of the road. Now it turns out that the China Harbor Engineering Company is saying the sections that the subcontractors are working on is being delayed, the road is in a bad state. Basically, they're saying the local contractors are underperforming. Now things have gotten so bad that China Harbor Engineering Company, they are responsible for the entire road, the entire project, and they are thinking of taking back the sections that they gave to the local contractors because they're not doing the job fast enough, and basically they're saying they're underperforming. And at the end of the day, China Harbor Engineering Company is responsible for the entire project. So we're now coming up to the Yalos Bridge, and so now what the local contractors are saying is basically the reason why the section they are working on is behind schedule is because they have to wait to get the project signed off on by the NW, the National Works Agency consultants, and they're saying that's taking a long time and that's slowing them down. Also, the local contractors are saying the government is taking, or whichever agency, the government, NWA, the process of acquiring the land from the people, because you can't just build a road on the people's land, you have to buy it from them. That process is taking a long time, and that is another reason why the project is delayed. And also the contractors are saying that China Harbor is the main contractor and they are the subcontractor, so they are at a financial, basically the money part isn't right. Basically that's what they're saying, because the project has been delayed and they are at a disadvantage because the project has been delayed and for various reasons, etc., etc. So they're saying the contract is more beneficial to China Harbor Engineering Company than to them. So they want those things addressed. And now this is a section of the road that leads into Yalos. This is at the Yalos main road. And look at the state of the road. So now the people are complaining, and rightly so. Look, this is a main road, this is the road, this is what the people have to drive on. Mark you, the project is delayed, etc., etc., but this road won't be finished until 2025. We're in 2022. So the people are saying the state of the road is unacceptable, and they are 100% correct. And one or two other things, but the main gross is the state of the road they have to drive on. Now it has gotten so bad that some taxi operators and bus operators have pulled their service, saying they cannot manage to drive on this road every day. And the government has gotten involved, and they are now using JUTC buses to help transport the children to school and to help out in the area. But this is terrible. And now the Prime Minister asked for a meeting with the local contractors to find out what is going on. And those things that I just mentioned about the local contractors were brought up in the meeting. And the meeting, after the meeting, the Prime Minister said he better understood what was going on, and I guess the country better understands what's going on. And he's going to review everything and discuss it with the relevant agencies, because this road falls under the NWA, the National Works Agency, and he'll make a decision about what will happen going forward. So the contractors said they were pleased with the meeting and they feel very confident based on what was discussed in the meeting. So basically that's where it is now, but at the end of the day, this is the road that the persons have to drive on. And this is definitely the state of this road right now. This is the worst road in Jamaica, by far, without a doubt. And you've seen how many videos we've made. Not even when the Hagley Park Road or the Constant Spring Road was being renovated was the state of the road this bad. And with Constant Spring Road and Hagley Park Road, you had alternate routes. This is a main road that leads into the town of Yalos. I don't know of any other route you can take that wouldn't delay you for a very long time. So that is basically what's going on. And this road, I mean, some serious money is being spent on it. The entire project is going to cost $59 billion. And you know that with the road being delayed, it might even cost more. So some serious money is being spent. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.